entrepreneurs, influencers, brands. This is definitely a video you want to stick through all the way. This is going to be a review of a program that I've recently indulged myself in. The program is called Modern Millionaires. Now, here are the wonderful people who created this program, as you can see right here. And I'm going to show you, stay all the way to the end of this video. I'm going to show you the inside module lessons that's inside the program. But real quick, I want to show you what the dashboard will look like when you first go to the website. So again, the foundation, you can see they teach you what you need to know, prospecting and sales, which is definitely something that every business can agree that they can always use more. Sales, customers, increasing their bottom line. They teach you also how to run ads that make money. They teach you how to outsource and scale a team. And you can learn from some of the best in the business. This is Abdul Samad. I'm sorry if I said his name wrong. And this is a little bit about him. I'm not going to read over that. I give you a few seconds for you to capture this, and then I'm going to move on. But this is one of the owners, co-owners, excuse me. You have this guy as well, Chance Anthony. Let's see if they have anyone else. Nope, it's just them two. Okay, so then we have a video right here, which again, I'm not going to play this. I'm going to let you do that on your time. So now that you've seen what's available on the dashboard, let me show you what's inside the actual modules of this program. And I don't review anything that I haven't actually dove headfirst into reviewing and understanding myself. So I've actually engaged in going through the lessons of the modules of this course. You can see, here's my name. I'm signed in. No lies, no caps, in none of my videos. And as you can see, I can resume the course. Again, there are the two gentlemen who I briefly just touched on. So here's the course curriculum. So here's module 1 on the foundation. Basically, it's giving you an overall understanding of certain factors of how you should go about deciding your market. Or if you're already inside of a market, it gives you ways to expand beyond that. You know, they have a weekly call. They have how to be 10x productive, how the business module, the business works, opportunity, niche selection. You get the point, right? So if we move on from that, this is for all my agency owners right here. Pay close attention. This is something that you need to pay. This is something that you need, right? So here we have setting up your agency system. They teach you how to buy your domains, Google Workspace, verify your domains, which is crucial. Phone numbers, code, email. So basically, they teach you how to do things on the back end. Like, of course, you need the front end with the website, your domain, your services, about us, all that good stuff. And they also give you a website template, which you can use. They have an intro and the pipelines. And then again, on the back end, they have like survey, triggers, campaigns, pipelines. Cool. So module 2B, right? Because it's still 2B. This is prospecting. So it teaches you the different forms of prospecting. Now, me, myself, I cold call, I cold email, I go to local businesses within my city. That's just me. But I'm sure they have different types of prospecting or similar to what I just listed in that. So that's still 2B. This is 2B continued, which is what I just touched on, right? Cold email. It's basically what it looks like. It shows you how to cover cold email, right? Because cold email is an effective method that works, right? As long as you're prospecting and you have your funnel. I'm not going to cover the funnel in this, but I'm sure they cover the funnel in this program. If you would like to hear me cover the funnel, leave your comments below and I'll be sure to make that. And they also have a drip mode campaign, which is definitely crucial for every agency, every coach, every business, every influencer, every brand. Next, they have module 2B continued again, which is Facebook ads. Now, if you're a fan of the channel, if you always tune into my videos, you know Facebook ads is my bread and butter. And this is actually the module which I believe I left off on, which is prospecting, getting clients from Facebook ads onto your website, to book an appointment, to therefore, see what you can help them with, so what they have, where they at, where they want to go, things along that nature. Again, verify your domain with Facebook ads. If anything, this and register your business manager account, as long as everything in here that is inclusive. But if you just come in here for a portion of understanding Facebook ads, I would say start right here on section 13. Register your business manager account, verify your domain, because without that, Facebook cannot track how to get conversions on your website. It's very crucial. After that, they teach you about the campaign assets, lookalike audiences. Basically, they're giving you the full course meal. Next, we have screencasting and sales. So I believe, I may be wrong on this, but I believe that this is how you would do like a Zoom meeting, right? So we get the client from Facebook. They say they want to book an appointment. Let's say that I'm in Virginia, I have a client in Georgia. We would do a Zoom meeting of sorts or a FaceTime video, and then they would teach you the art of deal making, how to close the deal, how to set up your payment processes. For my payment processes, I personally use Stripe and PayPal, but they may have something else in here. So definitely look into that. They also have a Google Ads campaign strategy, which you should look into if you're an agency owner or if you're selling any type of services that involve Google Ads or YouTube. Definitely want to look in that. They also have prospecting with LinkedIn, which is definitely something that me and my agency are starting to look into. Because LinkedIn is basically a network full of professional. It's for people who are in a position of power to come together in a community to help one another out. You should be a part of this if you're looking to get in contact with the decision makers. This is one of the quickest methods to get in contact with the decision maker outside of cold calling. Um, but yeah, they teach you how to send invites, broadcast messages. Pretty sure they teach you how to post on LinkedIn because LinkedIn's giving great organic traffic right now. Think of like 2010 Facebook up to like 2015 Facebook, like that organic. Or for a better comparison, think of how organic TikTok is right now, right? So LinkedIn is definitely a place where you want to be posting. Here they have the module where they cover Google Ads. Again, this is something that is useful to any and everyone watching this video. If you're not running Google Ads, you're slipping and you're missing out on a gold mine of money, right? Definitely make sure that you're investing in Google Ads. And this module right here is going to cover basically the essentials of their structure, what works for Google Ads. Now I'm gonna tell you, sorry, what works for their Google Ads. Everyone's strategy is right. Every strategy is concrete. It's just a matter of how you can interpret and take pages out of different people's books and add it to your own so that you can make it make sense to you. But being that they have over 20 plus videos, I'm sure that their method is concrete, to say the least. Yeah, they got at least 30 videos. Then we have driving traffic on Facebook. Again, and this goes in depth. This section actually talks about the Facebook pixel, which again is crucial. Um, Account structures, CBO, campaign types. It basically covered the synopsis of Facebook ads, which is a plus. And then here we have the last module, module 4, which is the autopilot method, where you become systematic, right? So basically, once you get here, you should have a system in place. You already figured out how you're going to get the traffic. You figured out where you're going to put your clients at, which is meaning your website. From your website, you're going to have them book an appointment, and then you're going to have a Zoom meeting or a FaceTime meeting, whichever you feel comfortable, and you're going to close the deal. You can also close the deal over the phone, but face to face just makes it feel more personalized. So I recommend that all of you at least check out the module. It's worth a look. I believe that they do offer a 30-day guarantee. Don't quote me on that. But nonetheless, I don't stamp my name on anything that I don't 100% support or 100% believe in. This is definitely a great upgrade for those of you who are looking to grow your agency. This is a great upgrade for those of you who are influencers looking to attract more customers into your pipeline. And this is great for any brand who's just looking to gain more notoriety and awareness. Check out the link. The link will be pinned below in the comment section. It's also available in the description. I won't stay you wrong. Let me know your feedback below. And thank you so much for watching. Again, Modern Millionaires. Let's be the next generation of millionaires.